Alright guys, my name is Shervin, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the crypto crash. Now, just a couple of weeks ago, after the popular crypto coin Luna crashed from a high of over $100 all the way down to zero, the entire crypto sphere went into disarray. And of course, couple that with the fact that the stock market in general is significantly down compared to last year, and what you have on your hands is a massive crypto crash. Now, this means that even popular coins such as Bitcoin itself went from a high of $67,500 all the way down to $28,700 just a week or two ago. And of course, a similar thing happened with Ethereum, which also went from a high of $4,800 in the November of 2021 all the way down to $1,720 in the past week. And of course, the question remains, does this mean that this is the perfect time to buy into these coins because their prices are down significantly compared to what they were last year? Or does this mean that we have to be more cautious when it comes to investing into cryptocurrencies? And that's exactly what you're going to find out if you watch till the end. But first, if you're new to my channel and you enjoy this video, make sure to smash the subscribe button down below and join the community. I make new videos about personal finance and investing on a regular basis, and by subscribing to the channel, you get to see all my new videos right as they come out. Also, if you enjoyed the video, do me a favor and smash the like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. But now, with all that said, let's talk about whether or not this is a good time to invest into cryptocurrencies. Now, I would say the most important thing is whether or not you actually believe in the cryptocurrency asset class and if you think it has a high potential. Because if you do and you specifically believe in the long-term potential of investing into Bitcoin and Ethereum, obviously now is a great time to buy in because of the lower prices. But that said, I would caution you against investing just because the prices are down. Because remember, in any sort of a recession or a crash, we never actually know when we're at the bottom, and there's no way to know at what point the price trend is going to change. So even though Ethereum hit a one-year low of $1720, there's no way to know if it's going to actually turn around and go up in price, or if it's going to continue to fall in the coming months. For all we know, a month from now, it could be all the way down to $1,000, or it could be all the way up to $3,000. There's just no way to know. Which means that if you are interested in investing during a market crash, you have to implement a strategy known as dollar cost averaging. Now, what this means is that you buy into the market consistently at a specific price every month, every week, or every day. For example, if you want to invest, let's say $1,000 into Bitcoin and Ethereum each, you wouldn't buy it all right now. What you would do instead is you would stretch those $1,000 over a couple of months or a couple of weeks. For example, you could do $100 a week for 10 weeks, or $100 a month for 10 months, or $200 a month for 5 months, or anything along those lines. Now, when you do this, you end up buying for different prices at different points in time, and as a result, you end up averaging out the amount that the asset costs. So for example, if you buy this month when Ethereum is $1,700, and then you buy next month when Ethereum is, let's say, $1,500, and then you also buy the month after when Ethereum is, let's say, $1,300, you end up paying an average price of $1,500 per Ethereum. Now, the main benefit of doing this is that no matter what happens with the price of that asset over that period of time, you always average it out and get a good deal. So if you buy right now when the prices are, let's say, $1,700 per Ethereum, and then the prices go down next month, you don't end up regretting your decision. You end up averaging all the prices out together. Now, I also wanted to touch on which of these cryptocurrencies are good investments and which ones you should actually look into investing into. Now, for me, myself, I only invest into Bitcoin and Ethereum because they are the most recognizable and the most reliable investments when it comes to the crypto sphere. And of course, I would reference what happened with the Luna coin as a reason why I pretty much avoid investing into any other cryptocurrency that I don't know much about. Because again, no matter how much you hear about Dogecoin or Shiba or whatever other crypto coins are popular at the time, you gotta always remember that these are extremely volatile and extremely risky investments that could go to zero at any point just like that. And even though the same is true with Bitcoin and Ethereum in principle, they are just much more well established and far less likely to lose all their value overnight, just like Luna or other cryptocurrencies that are not well established. So for that reason, I would only stick to Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I would stay away from all the other risky cryptocurrencies out there. And even if you decide to invest into them for whatever reason, just make sure that the amount that you are investing is not an amount that you would lose sleep over if you lost it all overnight. So just to quickly recap what we talked about in this video, you should only invest into cryptocurrencies if you actually believe in their long-term potential. You should look into dollar cost averaging and actually implementing that during a crash. And as well as that, if you are interested in investing into cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are well established, just make sure you're not investing more than you can afford to lose. Alright, now that's about it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. As always, if you have any questions about any of the stuff that we talked about in this video, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. I always respond to every single comment that comes in. And of course, with all that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers!